and I pity the fool. I pity the fool.
On today's episode of the Rim Vlog, we have a very, very special guest. 2 vlogs ago, I encountered a major snafu. God damn it, I f***ed that up. Shit! Did I f*** that up? Ah! It was a video 3 years in the making, and I deleted all that footage. What a goddamn shame. So it's about 3 weeks later, and I need to get my hair redone. So in today's episode, we're going back to go see Longbeach Leah to go get my hair did. But getting my hair done isn't the only thing I have in store for today's episode. Today, we clean the beach. It's been raining in Southern California for about 5 straight days, which usually means the beaches are gonna look like absolute shit, which means Captain Puerto Rico needs to go down to the beach and clean it up. So I'm setting up a time-lapse shot. As you can see. And then we got this jabroni right here, interrupting my time-lapse shot. Standing right in front of my time-lapse shot. He doesn't give a shit. Some people, damn. Alright, so we're back here with Longbeach Leah, and we're here to not delete any footage this time around. Look at this goddamn hair, huh? I look like a sexy pony. I have my Roman helmet on. This is what it would look like if my hair was a Roman helmet. Everybody give it up for Longbeach Leah. If you need a haircut, you need something done with your hair, go see her.
Come see me. I got you.
Longbeach Leah does such a good job. Seriously, if you guys have anything you want to get done to your hair, go hit her up. She made me look fresh to death with the single braid. Gave me a little trim up on the beard. Again, thank you. People, go see her. She's awesome. So last week, I wanted to do a little bit of a beach cleanup because the beach is looking a little rough and I hadn't done it in a while. We begin at the beach. I'm here for 2 reasons. The first reason is I came down here to do a little bit of jogging, maybe get about 3 or 4 miles in. But the other reason I came down here is to check out how the pollution situation is looking like. It actually doesn't look too bad over in this area. I'm gonna go closer to shore. It does not look that bad right now. I'm liking the looks of this. Looks like we're doing better Longbeach. Or I just happened to catch you on a day where we were actually raked the beach. Probably more likely that. Well, as we get closer, you can see there's plastic. Some more plastics around. Not as bad as I've seen it, but definitely still needs some work. As I start heading towards that direction, there's definitely more shit. There's a big piece of something right over here. We'll see if I come down here tomorrow and help planet Earth out a bit. Sometimes I get lucky enough where they've done some combing of the beach and they make little piles here of sand. So I have these sand dunes I get to run over. It's a good obstacle course if you're trying not to just run the same thing all the time, and it gives you a little extra challenge. I'll probably end up coming down here tomorrow to clean up a bit, but for right now, I got a date with Hamburger Hill over here. Well, let's get about 1.5 miles in going that way, get 1.5 miles going back this way. Maybe we'll go say hi to the Queen, and let's just go. Another thing that I use as an added feature to running are the birds on the beach. They're up ahead. Usually there's more, but you can always count on these seagulls to be on the water's edge. So I'm gonna have to stop talking so that they don't hear me coming. This is my runs get ruined all the time because I can't stand to look at this shit. How does something like this end up in the ocean? That's just rude. I can't definitively say that the seagulls didn't pull this out, but I'm pretty sure the seagulls generally stay away from furniture polish, especially the orange kind. They hate the orange kind. This was likely caused by a human being. Come on, people. Come on, let's get our shit together. Come on. Jump on board, save the earth. Not my earth, not your earth, our earth. I gotta pause this for a second. I thought that right now I just came up on a dead body.
Y'all want to see a dead body?
So I was about to run up this hill, and seriously thought that was a dead body. For the last 5 days, it's been doing something in LA that it never does, which is rain. It's absolutely pouring rain out here, but there's just too much lightning for me to resist. I have to try to capture it. As you can see, that's going on behind me, so I absolutely have to be out here. So since it's been raining for the last 5 days, I haven't had a chance to get out there and do some cleaning. So I gotta go to the store, pick up a few bags, and a couple other little special things. And let's see if we can make it down to the beach and help clean up. Don't forget, there's a surprise guest later as well. First things first, before I even think about leaving the house and going to do something else, I am gonna go upload this footage so I don't have another snafu. Right, Iverson? We gotta upload this footage so we don't have another snafu like we did last time I got my hair done. All right, so I just pulled into 99¢ only. This is where I'm gonna get some plastic bags to pick up the trash a little bit later. And I'm hoping to find something else. Let's hope I can find it.
Welcome to the land of broken promises. The continent that's harboring 300 million hostages. A pedal to the populace inside the center sanctum.
I think we found what we're looking for. Thank you.
First time.
She said she likes my hair. See? Leah, you did a great job. This is pretty perfect right here. This is exactly what I need. If you don't know why I'm getting these, then you haven't been paying attention. I'll probably just take a couple of these. Might as well get a couple of these too. I'm ready to do the third part of what I was gonna do today, which is, clean the beach. I just need my red wagon. I also need some of my tools. I only have about an hour and a half before it gets dark anyway, so I'm just gonna go with the little green one. I'll bring an extra one in case somebody happens to be down there and wants to help me out. Some hand sanitizer, some gloves, and a smaller bucket. Also one of these, so if I want to sift through some thicker sand. So I told you I had a special guest for you. So without further ado, I present to you Mr. T. Come on in, Mr. T.
Hey woman, look at here. Since your old man ain't got no heart, maybe you want a real man.
Hey woman, listen here. Since your old man ain't got no heart, maybe you'd like to see a real man.
Maybe you come over tonight and I keep you nice and warm. Yo T, we live in a different world now. You just can't go calling people woman. But anyway, would you do me a favor and tell these people what they should be doing? Alright. I'll tell them about the page. Since you're here, why don't you subscribe to his channel? This is my man right here. Subscribe to his channel and he'll provide you with more content. And I pity the fool. I pity the fool who don't subscribe to his channel. Get on out of this house and go clean up that damn beach. So listen to his advice, subscribe to my channel, I'd really appreciate it. But for now, it's time to go clean a beach. Captain Puerto Rico to the rescue. And as the beach comes into view, still got a bunch of sunlight left. It says sunsets at 5:08, so we have an hour plus to get some of this beach cleaned up. Music. I don't even want to show you how it looks right now. It's that bad. I present to you Alamitos Beach, Long Beach. Pretty much all the way along here. I'm gonna have a long hour ahead of me. But Captain Puerto Rico is here to save the day. We're gonna need a bigger boat.
You're gonna need a bigger boat.
I just had a brilliant idea. There's only one of me, and there's a lot of trash. But I have two of these. So let's see if I can use two of them at the same time. I think I can make this happen. I'm pretty good with my left and my right hand. I haven't even been here for more than 10 minutes, and I've already filled that trash can up. I think the best approach is gonna be to use the bucket, fill the bucket up a bunch of times, and then dump that in the trash can. Or else I'm not gonna put a dent in this anyway, but at least it'll help. I actually was gonna fly my drone, but I don't think it'd be the best thing to do right now because the Goodyear blimp is just chilling right over here right now. bag number 3. I'm gonna empty this out and then come back along the water's edge here and try to finish off what I can. There's a lot of big pieces right here. You know what? I am gonna be positive about this. I'm gonna make a positive spin on this. Since the beginning of the new year, California passed a state law where restaurants aren't allowed to give straws out anymore. Normally when I come down here and do a cleanup, it's nothing but straws everywhere. And the positive spin is, I actually haven't been seeing that many straws. So I know it's a small little thing, and crazy right-wing people, you Fox News I know you think it's some sort of a hoax, and doing away with the straws isn't gonna solve a problem. But you know, it's baby steps. And I have definitely noticed that there is a lack of straws out here comparative to what I've seen in the past. So California, we gotta give ourselves a high five for taking the first step in getting rid of plastics, because seeing less straws out here is definitely a positive, even though it's a small little step of, you know, getting rid of small little straws. But in the long run, that's what you want to do. You want to get rid of all the plastic. I'm seeing a difference. So keep it up, California. We got to keep it up and show the rest of the world it's how it's done. Well, that's it. I got 3 bags filled. As on my way up, I'll still continue to put some stuff in there, but that concludes a pretty successful small little beach cleanup. Captain Puerto Rico is always here to try to save the day. Don't forget, if you want your hair done, go hit up Longbeach Leah. I'll leave her contact down below. Also, don't forget, try to keep the beaches clean. Do what you can to help out. This is our home. We all share it. We all want to go in the ocean, and we don't want to have to step on trash and swim through plastic just to get to the ocean. So if you could all help out with that, that'd be greatly appreciated. So like Mr. T said, hit the subscribe button, check me out, give me some love, hit the like button. This has been the Rim Vlog. I appreciate you for watching. Let's do it again. See you next time.
Sinner sanctum is metropolis. Well, fuck a conscious, bitches, show me where the profit is. Here's a quick quiz for them. How many men does it take to save a country from the inside and make this shit great? Maybe we never were. Stole it from another's mouth to make ourselves a better plate. Just can't help this feeling that there's a better way.
Nothing I sing wrong. Nothing I sing wrong.